Welcome to NPK and PPM Calculator tutorial. This is our main screen for the calculator. I will run down through the different areas of the calculator explaining what happens in every individual area. We'll start with the profile table. This is where all the elements will be broken down to their individual ppm. This is where we'll find the expected TDS and EC reading from our recipe. This is the feeding menu. This is where we will edit every week's recipe individually. The weeks are stacked in their logical sequence. You will edit the weekly menu going horizontally, selecting every ingredient in our recipe. You will select the week to profile from the week profile menu. Okay. So let's get some data loaded and get this calculator going. We will now move to the guaranteed analysis page to pick our individual product, which we will then use in our recipe. Okay, so here we are. This is the guaranteed analysis page, which allows us to either edit our own, product, or guaranteed analysis that's not currently in our database. We can load it this way, or you can select from a preset list of manufacturers. You can select up to 10 ingredients to use in your recipe. Alternatively, you can load a manufacturer's recommended product line, which is what I'm going to use in this demonstration. I'm going to load General Hydroponics Flora line. Now we're going to go back to our calculator page and see what's going on over there. Back into the main calculator page, you can see the items we've selected are now showing in our feeding menu. We are now ready to custom build our menu. For example, you can custom build it from scratch. Let's say we want to use 2 mil micro for seedling week 1, 2 mil grow, and 2 mil of bloom. A quick look at our profile table. Will reveal exactly what each ingredient translates in ppm. The combination of every product together builds up those TDS and EC expected readings. Watch as these numbers change as we alter the menu. In this way, you can can tailor down your desired NPKMG ratio exactly to what you want it to be. You can also adjust with local water reading. Or just simply adjust with some unlisted ingredient that you have added. Let's reset the table data. And load General Hydroponic Drain to Waste simple program for this example. As you can see, every week's program has been loaded into our feeding menu. We then select the week we wish to profile out of the profile menu. And we examine our profile table, which will contain every individual part in its PPM. We are now ready to start custom edit our own menu. As the milliliters quantities change in the profile table, the ratio, BPM, and EC reading simultaneously change. You can then do that for every week and then go and examine the profile table. Our expected PPM and EC reading, and adjust as we wish. Once we have it to where we want it to be, we have 4 areas where you can have your recipe saved. In case you change it, different crops, if you want to go back to it, change for whatever reason, you can save it by clicking Save My Schedule. The schedule is now saved. Now we move to the dosage table. This table helps us create a batch. In order to start using this table, what we need to do is basically tell the computer the amount of water we're going to be using in this batch. Over here, we can set the desired liquid amount that we're going to use for this batch. In this table now, we can see the quantities from every ingredient needed to create this week's batch. As an added bonus, you can see how much it costs you to run this particular batch.